Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make up this card with the pop-up flower inside. You'll want your paper pattern side up. I'll start making the creases for a square base. So I'll fold it in half diagonally and lengthways. Today my last fold for my square base is a vertical crease. This is another method of doing a square base. You grab the bottom edges and gently push them together, allowing the flaps to form, and then you flatten into shape. I'll pop this on the table and then I'll use the outer corners and fold these in towards the center. Now with that inner corner, I'll fold this back and I'll repeat on the other side. Once I've done all this, I'll flip over to the other side and repeat those steps again. So I'll grab these outside corners, fold them in towards the middle, and then when I get up to this step, I'll grab the inner corners and fold these flaps backwards. At this point, I'll unfold. From here, I'll need to open up from the inside. I'll take one of the flaps, I'll push it in, and then with the raw edge, I'll pull this out for an outside reverse fold, and then allow it to close neatly. Repeat on the remaining flaps. Once you've done that, it looks like a little bit of a diamond shape. The last little detail is at the open ends. I'll fold all the tips down a little bit. Now for the final one, and this completes your pop-up flower. You can open up and see the beautiful pattern inside. If you'd like to, I can show you how to put it into a card as well. I'll grab my flower, I'll grab a glue stick, and I'll apply some glue just on the corners at the bottom. And then I'll place it in the card. Make sure you give it a good firm press. Let's check it out. Happy folding, and thanks for watching. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.